Choosing between Moomoo's desktop and mobile platforms depends on your trading style and needs. Let's break down the difference to help you decide. Desktop platform. The desktop version is ideal for traders who require advanced tools and a comprehensive view of the markets. It offers customizable multi-monitor layouts, over 50 built-in charting tools, and real-time level 2 codes. This setup is perfect for those who need to analyze multiple data streams simultaneously and prefer a detailed trading environment. Mobile app. The mobile app is designed for convenience and on the go trading. It provides a sleek interface with features like instant price alerts, live market depth monitoring, and ability to execute trades quickly. While it includes many of the desktop's functionalities, the mobile app is optimized for speed and ease of use, making it suitable for traders who need to manage their investments while away from their desk. Which should you use? If you're a trader who relies on in depth analysis and prefers a comprehensive trading setup, the desktop platform is your go to. However, if you value flexibility and the ability to trade anytime, anywhere, the mobile app will serve you well. Many traders find using both platforms in tandem offers the best of both worlds. If this comparison helped clarify things for you, please like and subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below. I'm here to assist you on your trading journey.